Alright, so I had to find this really weird thing. This is my house, and I have to go all the way to my grandma's house to see if I can find some sort of book. Oh, it's creepy out here. And this thing's out tomorrow. The world's supposed to end tomorrow. So I could die right here, right now. I'm gonna run. Okay, I'm about here. Wow, the stars are so good. I don't know if the camera can see them. What's that? What's that? Okay, that was creepy. That was creepier than crap. Whoa. Okay, Grandma's house. Grandma's house. Grandma's house. Alright. Book. I don't see no book. The one I need. There it is, I think. Let's see. Oh, that's it. Okay. I got the book. Now supposedly okay, I'm just hearing weird sounds. Weird noises. Oh God. Whoa.